registers its first Omicron death along with huge surge in COVID-19 infections with 90,928 cases, 325 deaths. Supreme Court to hear on January 7 plea related to breach in PM Modi's security in Punjab. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik dedicates Sujal Drink from Tap mission in Silver City, Cuttack, ensures safe drinking water to over 7 lakh people. Mumbai in corona clutches, over 200 medicos test COVID positive in just 3 days. Australia cancels Novak Djokovic's visa ahead of Australian Open. BCCI announces Women's World Cup squad, major omissions from squad surprise cricket lovers. Anushka makes a comeback with Netflix India's next film Chakda Express. India on Thursday reported 90,928 fresh COVID-19 infections, which is almost 56% than Wednesday's tally, and 325 related fatalities. Meanwhile, the tally of Omicron cases in the country has now reached 2,630, with Maharashtra reporting 797 topping the count, followed by Delhi with 465, Rajasthan 236 and Kerala 234. Out of the total Omicron cases, 995 have recovered or migrated. On Wednesday, the centre confirmed the first Omicron-related death in the country, that of a 74-year-old man with comorbidities who succumbed to the virus last week in Rajasthan's Udaipur. The Supreme Court agreed to hear on January 7 a plea to ensure there is no breach in the security of the Prime Minister in future. A bench headed by Chief Justice N.V. Ramana took note of senior advocate Maninder Singh's submission that a serious breach in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's security took place in Firozpur, Punjab on Wednesday. Meanwhile, the Punjab government on Thursday also set up a high-level committee to probe lapses during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the state. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik today inaugurated the Drink from Tap project under the Sujal mission for Cuttack. Under this project, more than 1.4 lakh households having a population of more than 7 lakh people will get 24/7 clean drinking water in their homes. The project is being undertaken with an expenditure of ₹790 crore. In the first phase, water from Mahanadi will be transported to CDA and other areas. Notably, Heritage City Puri was the first Indian city to achieve this milestone, joining the league of cities like London, Los Angeles and Singapore to provide 24-hour clean drinking water. In just last 3 days, a total of 230 resident doctors of different hospitals in Mumbai have tested positive for the deadly COVID-19. Meanwhile, the corona report of 60 employees of Brihan Mumbai Electricity Supply and Transport came positive on Wednesday itself. On Thursday, Mumbai recorded 15,040 new infections of the coronavirus disease, the city's highest ever single-day spike. Before this, 11,206 fresh infections were reported on April 4, 2021, which was then the single-day highest case tally after the pandemic outbreak. Australian authorities cancelled tennis star Novak Djokovic's visa on his arrival in Melbourne. The world's #1 tennis player was held in the city's airport for several hours before the border forces announced that he had not met the entry rules and therefore would be deported. The Australian move comes amid a backlash over a vaccine exemption given to Djokovic so as to let him play in the Australian Open. Djokovic has now reportedly been taken to a government detention hotel pending his departure on an outbound flight. The All India Women's Selection Committee on Thursday announced the squad for the ICC Women's World Cup scheduled to be held in New Zealand. Batter Jamia Rodriguez and bowling all-rounder Shikha Pandey at the surprise omission from the squad. Mithali Raj will lead the 15-member team while Harmanpreet Kaur was named deputy. India will play their first World Cup fixture against Pakistan on March 6 at the Bay Oval, Tauranga, New Zealand. Online subscription company Netflix India on Thursday announced its next film Chakda Express starring Anushka Sharma. The film, being produced by Clean Slate Films and directed by Praset Roy, is inspired by the incredible story of Jhulan Goswami. Taking to Instagram, Anushka wrote, "It is a really special film because it is essentially a story of tremendous sacrifice. Chakda Express is inspired by the life and times of former Indian captain Jhulan Goswami, and it will be an eye-opener into the world of women's cricket."